Iyo! Ayan po guys, nagtatakbuhan po sila. Yan, si paring to, Merry Christmas. Ano masasabi mo ngayong Christmas holidays?
Happy.
Paring Marlon in the house, yo! Bati ka muna, greetings si mga Gian.
Po sa YouTube yan.
Ano masasabi mo sa ating Christmas party? Kaya nanding Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Anong masasabi mo sa ating
Merry pa
Christmas
rin.
party?
Merry pa rin Christmas.
Merry pa rin ang Christmas, ayan. Tita, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Vlog pala yan. Ginagawa mo.
Hi, Madam. Tita, Merry Christmas. Baby. Si Amor. Amor. Mga shy type po sila guys. Karen in the house. Napaka-pretty naman ang aming very sexy ang aming news. Ang crush ng bayan. Miss Karen.
Oy, dating Miss Universe
Sir, ano masabi mo sa ating Christmas party?
Wrong timing, Brad.
Jeffrey in the house. Yo, Merry Christmas, brother. Ang aming news in the house. Ayan po.
Hi! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Ano sabi mo sa ating Christmas party?
Very enjoying.
Pagod. Jerry. Ang masabi mo, Brad? Aming gwaping na gwaping. Na host.
Yan, hindi na makita.
Sir. Hi, Merry Christmas. What you can say our party? His wife, Madam Prina. Madam Prina, Merry Christmas. Gian. Introduce. Sorry. Tumasya. Janice, introduce.
What's up mga kulaba? This is me. And this is you.
Masabi mo sa ating Christmas party?
Amazing, bro.
Brothers. What's up? Merry Christmas. What you can say? Tell me about yourself. Anything.
Thank you.
He's overwhelmed. Madam, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ano masasabi mo na? Ano masasabi mo sa ating Christmas party? What you can say?
Happy New Year.
Shy type. Shy. Magbabapper eh. Hindi ko Madam, Merry Christmas.
When meeting with someone, we will make one again.
Oh! Let's go here, guys. Let's come. Let's join us. Let's join us. Oh, give round of applause.
Gidang.